Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Govee Smart Table Lamp 2S. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who just connected their Govee Smart Table Lamp 2S to the Govee Home app. So we're going to go ahead and access the app. I'm going to show you a few different settings. Now, on the upper right hand corner, you have the settings icon where you can set up presets, you can adjust the Wi-Fi. You could also go ahead and set up like a bedtime switch. And you could also go ahead and connect to Matter on here and also remove this device and update this device. On the top hand side, you could actually rename the device as well. Now on this page here, you have multitudes of different settings. You have the brightness adjustment. You have different modes as far as setting it to a certain color, having it display a certain scene. Illumination is basically like color temperature scenes. So right now I can set it to relax. I can set it to reading, work, or illumination. Now, music mode basically means that it's going to go ahead and respond to audio or music from your mobile phone. So if I click on energetic and then as I'm talking, the light will actually start to flicker. Here you can do a DIY. You can do a finger sketch as well. So if I draw on it, this is going to actually be the drawing on the lamp as well. Now, as far as simple colors go, you can adjust the color temperature. You can change basic colors, and you can also save preset colors. On the top right hand side, you can turn the lamp on and off. Now, a really important feature is that on the left hand side where it says timer, this is where you can schedule your lamp to be turned on or off every day. So right now I have mine scheduled to turn on at 9, but if I wanted to turn on at 9, I could also have it turn on at 9 p.m. So it does use military time, and there you have it. You can set it to repeat and then click on the check mark, and now that's one timer that's going to go ahead and be utilized every day at 9 p.m. Now I'm going to go ahead and move on to the actual table lamp just to show you the actual buttons on it. So on the actual lamp itself, you have the on and off button, which is the center button. So you got to do is tap it and it turns on and off. You have the brightness adjustment button. So this is going to be used to increase the brightness. This is going to be used to decrease the brightness. And then you have two different buttons here on the top and bottom. The one circle for me means a one single solid color. So if I click on this button, it's going to go ahead and change to a solid color. So right now it's blue, now it's orange, now it's red, now it's kind of orange again, green. So I think about it as far as like one circle means one solid color. This right here is the scene button. So notice how it's like three circles overlapped. So I kind of imagine like it's a scene with multitude of different colors. So if I click on this top button here, you can see that it shows multiple different colors. So you can set different scenes as far as what you want your table lamp to display, and you can cycle between there. Likewise, you can still increase the brightness or decrease the brightness depending on whether you want a scene displaying or even if you want like a certain solid color displaying as well. But that's pretty much it though as far as how to use your Govee Smart Table Lamp 2S. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. And if you're interested in picking one up, do check out the link down below in the description.